girl by a hairdresser. I mean, come on. You can't be looking that fucked up in your own house. I wouldn't have it.
This is what we picked up. He goes in on anybody.
I am brutal. You understand? Because you have to have respect for your house. You can't be looking like a porcupine in your own fucking house. Motherfucker, let me see her. Let me see her.
Oh, hell no, bro. I need to get rid of this motherfucker.
But I don't. Let me see her. That bitch looks
my
like
girl,
a porcupine.
she's playing the game.
What the fuck, nigga?
She's playing the game.
Exactly. I don't want to talk to her. I just want to see her.
Yeah. Oh my God.
She's just playing the game.
That look like a.
She just playing the game.
Oh, you got all those fucking clothes and you got fucking that good? What the fuck? You got all those clothes just for fucking that good. What the fuck?
Hey, Donald, just on us?
Come on, see me pick yourself. Stop the ball, pick.
Donald Duck. What do you think about his girl? What do you think about his girl? Give us your honest opinion. His girl, what do you think about her?
About her?
Yes.
I think you're a bitch, obviously. I think you're a bitch. You think that the bitch too, bitch? Oh, stop.
Come to the line.
Motherfucker, you got 2 androids.
He said, what the fuck you got 2 androids?
Yeah. Motherfucker, you got 2 androids.
He said you got all them kids just to have 2 androids. Yo, down here, bro.
You got the shit, nigga?
Yes, I got the shit, nigga.
Hold on, watch this.
What's up, motherfucker? You got the shit, nigga.
I see you.
Tell your mama that the baby sleep. Tell your mama.
You can't turn your light on, you can barely see.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
How we got that shit on?
So,
Fuck you, watch my show,
you, this dude with the puppet, this shit is funny as hell.
Bitch, my mama said me here, you fucking bitch. You fuck motherfucker.
He got aluminum foil on his teeth.
You can't even know what the fuck you stupid asshole. Stupid ass crap, bitch. You gotta be sober.
You know somebody hand doing that Donald Duck stuff?
Thank you.
Somebody hand doing that. That's a fake guy.
You need to shut your fucking mouth, you stupid baby.
You shut your ass up, you little
Thank you.
ass motherfucker.
Hey, let's have a,
Shut your dumb
hold on.
ass up.
Let's have a rap battle.
Fucking sandwich, you hoe. Thank you.
Let's have a rap battle.
Rap fuck? Alright, let's rock. Let's go.
I want to rap against you.
You stupid. Fuck up, yes.
Flavor Flav versus, well, no, Glock 30K versus.
Okay, hurry up. I give a fuck about your 30K. Hurry up.
Boy, whoever doing that hand thing is stupid.
Nah, this shit funny to me.
All right, Glock, you go first, Glock. He said, hurry the fuck up.
Hurry up, bitch. I'm loud. Hurry up.
Oh, I can go ahead and rap?
Yes, go ahead.
That down know whoever doing the hand is fake.
Thank you.
Don't nobody understand your words, mother.
Get the bitch ass up your glass, bitch. Go make me a fucking sandwich.
Just what I said.
What the fuck? Yeah, oh.
Like, can you turn it on? That's all I ask.
You already about it, right, man? Who?
I like this song. Alright, let's get to the real rapping now.
Yeah, lay down, fuck up, bitch. I don't give a fuck about you.
Hey, pause it real quick. I need quiet. I'm gonna rap.
He's supposed to be real. Glock, hurry up and rap.
You know what? I'm about to do Birdman and Lil
I
Wayne.
don't give a fuck what you do. Just fucking rap. Yes.
One second.
You tell me to fuck up, you motherfucker. You take it quick, you suck it though.
Oh, shit.
I don't got a promise with you, but I am getting that big slazy back the pussy inside my mouth.
1 second, oh fuck. Hold on.
You hear me?
He nutty is. All right, can I rap for you? They were taking too long. Bro, can I rap for you, bro? I've been waiting for a while, bro. My God. That was a little irritating. Let me show you something, right? Okay. Yeah. All right, bet. It's some new music, bro. I ain't showing nobody yet. Feel me? All right. Look. Hold on. Listen. Explain this to me. Look. Done. There is like 3,822 girls in this world, but then still I chose you. You said you was busy at work and at school, but then you was just on the phone with other dudes. All the days that I called the phone, you wasn't answering. And I believed every single excuse. You said I'm the only one. Then there was nobody else who would lie when I told you. You said I can't get you out of my dreams. It's love is a drug while I'm high. It's a kite in my head. You mess up how I think. Hey, that's anybody with a little curve in the shoes. Built perfect for me. She had some freedom, but still had some boundaries. Wanted to get in those rings. She was a little nerdy. Think was 7, taking from 30. She said 23. Do away your love. Thought it make me feel better. I finally got you on my bed, but I still can't get you on my head. Oh, and I'm sitting there like one text at a time. I know you by your phone, so please pick up your line. And I ain't too proud to be, 'cause what's been said has been said. Yeah. And I need you to know, 'cause you don't know what love is. And I need you to know, you don't know. Yeah. Yeah, bro. 40-inch. Bitches love to stare. Touching her derriere. Bitch, you want this hair? Bitch is like, are you hoes? My ass is 40-inch hair. Done. Are you hoes the same? All right. It's flat. My ass is flat. Bad bitch. 40-inch hair, yours ain't the back. Can so fat you can see it from the back. Shit though. That's right. Hold on. Wait. You have a fat pussy, but you have no fucking respect. I know, right? I don't. I am like the most disrespectful girl in the world. The young man was singing. He was doing an excellent job. His vocals was on point. And you just come and fuck it up. I'm sorry, but it was trash. It was trash. I'm sorry, it's not enough. You need to give him a fuck. Nobody on the spot wanted to hear him rap. The nigga was singing excellent. You need to give him a fuck as payment. All right, I'm so sorry. Tell him he can keep going. I'll wait. No, you need to give my turn. Give him a fuck. You want a fuck, boy? Tell him I'll wait till my turn. My son, you want a fuck? You want to finish? You want to finish? I want to hear it. He see you will take a fuck tonight. Can he finish his rapping? Hey, I'm so sorry. I apologize for interrupting you. You straight. Bitch, please. Do you forgive me? Sorry, one fuck. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry your fat pussy ass spiked in America. Otherwise, I would have beat that pussy out night. All right, no, tell him he can finish for real. Tell him I'm sorry. That was disrespectful. I was down for the most.
Yo, what's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
Yo, I want to fight that dude, bro.
Who?
That bandit.
Oh, it did let me join. Crazy.
Wait, why?
It be kicking
Bro,
us.
he's lame, bro.
He's kind of annoying.
I know, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. He's lame. I want to, like, bro. I'm trying to actually see him, bro.
What color Zan is you off of, bro? What color? What color?
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, hold on. Aren't you the same dude that was in my DMs one time?
Nah, man, you was in my DMs.
Yeah, but hey, why was you talking crazy to me, though, bro?
Yeah, I wasn't talking. You was talking crazy. You telling me about the little J nigga. That nigga weird. You trying to talk to me like he my nigga. I'm telling you, I don't fuck with Blade.
Oh, because no, you never told me that. You told me bro was straight. Hold on.
Nah, trust me.
No, you told me, look, you told me bro was straight, and you told me that you was cool with him, and he valid, so don't worry about him.
Nah, you said You said, is he blood? I said, I don't know nothing about that. I'm from LA. He from Florida. I don't know if he real right or not. I don't even know what blood claiming. I didn't even know he was blood. I didn't even know he was claiming that shit till you said.
What do you mean he was claiming you was his big homie?
Never. I'm from Crenshaw Mafia. I'm from Inglewood, bro. Bro, ain't never been to LA in his life. I ain't even seen that nigga on the airplane before.
You're pussy, bro.
Hey, that man's he's calling you coochie, fam.
Huh? No, I said he's pussy.
Who?
You.
Man, I ain't even.
Hey, wait a minute. Are you in the house?
Yep.
Wait, let me see the house.
Because he's a.
I ain't gonna like. You made him leave, bro. Why you trying him like that?
Bro, he was pissing me like just the way he looked.
Yo.
Hey, film.
Yo.
Hey, who shot? Hey,
What, nigga? Your pipe shot. Hey, let me ask you. Boy, put that 30 on your bitch ass, nigga.
Hey, let me ask you a question. You guys play push.
Boy, you said what, nigga?
Hey, hold on. I start yelling though, for real. Hey, you guys play push shiesty and get you like feeling like you right.
Boy, fuck push out that nigga put bread in my pocket. The fuck? And fuck you too, bitch ass nigga. Get them girls in your mouth, bro.
Shut your lame ass up. Y'all just a squares for real. I ain't gonna count though. I ain't stop with that pump faking.
For real, bro. This shit is lame.
You know, let me turn.
Niggas think they, bro, they're nobodies, bro. They got no money in their pockets, bro.
So you want to see the bread?
Yeah.
This dude again, bro.
That's downstairs. It's upstairs.
Wait, are you in Cali right now?
Someone said Tehran definitely paid Fly for a promo. I definitely paid for a promo. Fly, I paid for a promo?
Yeah. I'm joking.
I've known Fly for like 3 years now, bro. Like these niggas not hip. Just cause I went ghost for like 2 months doesn't mean like.
Okay. You only know me for a year, bro.
Yeah, what's good?
Yeah, my time perception is off, bro. You feel me?
Yo, what's good, Fly?
What's up, big guy?
Chillin', bro. Yo, you Cuban, right?
Yeah, what?
That's what's up. I'm Cuban too, bro.
Where you stay at, Miami?
Nah, I'm up north, bro. I'm up by Philly.
Cuban and Philly, yeah.
Already. I fuck with y'all, yo. You, your brother, and you and shit. Y'all music, bro. Y'all keep that shit going, real rap.
Hey, you don't look Cuban, though.
I'm Cuban and Rican.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes more sense.
Yeah, my pops came from the boat, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah? Is that why you're fat as fuck?
Hey, bro, you're on the live, man.
I don't know, you kept on telling me that shit, bro.
Hey, bro, you're on the live.
Hey, yo.
Just imagine if I was in that car, bro.
This nigga dumb sweet. That's that Flyysoulja nigga.